Welcome back to the channel, baby. Um, so this is the last one I'm going to do for today, and I put four out. By the way, I'm sorry, this is another cover lover. What I do is I take a suggestion that you suggest, and I find a cool cover of it. Or there are times when you'll just tell me I want to hear this artist against this artist, and I'm fine. And again, it's not really a competition because everybody's really talented. Um, but that's, and sometimes I have what I call a true cover to cover, where I don't do the original, I'll do a cover of the original and a cover against that. And I really like this as well. So guys, keep sending them in and we'll talk about that at the end. But who is this? We're doing Rolling in the Deep by Adele, and then we're doing the cover. I can't remember the covers by. This was not a, this was me. I saw this going through YouTube. I saw this song. I always liked it. Also, to you that think I get distracted, and I do sometimes. Because of my brain, I've got an appointment later at the doctor's. But anyways, neither here nor there. If you see me looking at my phone, which you probably will in a little bit, this is when I texted back and forth. She's constantly checking up. Anyway, so let's get started with this. Take a minute to get this up, and I have seen this. This is the official video. Get it up. There we go. So I am going to be responding to a text just for the very beginning of this. Okay?
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your ship bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. In the desert, you have my heart inside, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. In the desert, you have my heart inside, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. In the deep, you have my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with a beating. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You'll pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. Oh. It all. We could have had it all. In the desert, you have my
Okay, let me ask a couple questions before I get to the next one. Um, what happened to her? I mean, I don't know, and maybe I knew, but now sitting before you, needing a bath and a shower before I go to my appointment, but I don't remember. Where is she? Is she still around? I loved her voice. It was fantastic. Um, but again, I don't know what happened to her, right? I don't know, um, if she's still singing and all that. So those in the comments, let me know. And because I'd like to know, she had a beautiful voice. I loved it. Loved Adele. I hate to say this, but I love the fact that she was a heavier girl. I mean, I think she lost some weight after this, maybe. I don't care, but I think she's beautiful, man. Just the way she is. Okay, so what am I doing now? This is Vasquez Sounds Adele Rolling in the Deep cover. And I don't know what that means, right? But we'll find out. I just grabbed the first cover I could find. And so let's get this done. And again, once again, if you see me looking at my phone or looking away, I'll try not to on the cover, right? But with my health, I can't help it. And I hope you stick around for the channel. Love you guys, I really do. Here we go.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me I'm all of yours to bear. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out dark. Just 'cause of your love remind me of us, it keep me
Okay, so the song is called, or the band is called Vasquez Sounds. I like them, and then I like that fact that they're all very young. And we've done some stuff on the other channel with Sister with the Wolfman of young people doing stuff like that. So you'll probably see this or something like it over there. She did a very, very good job of this on the song. You could tell, and me saying this is going to seem ironic, but you can tell that her voice is still not matured a lot. But she covered that very, very well, especially probably Spanish first language, and copying that is in English is got to be very, very hard. So man, I hope you liked it. I did. If you did like this, hit like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share with your friends. If you like it, they probably will. Comment down below. Give me some more suggestions. 1 at a time, 2 at a time is fine. Any more than that, they get lost in the shuffle because of my brain. And keep coming back. And love you guys. Peace. See you later.